Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We settle down. Thank you so much. Thank you, Motheo. Thank you so much. Now we give attention to the primary schools.
Thank you very much, Program Director. Let me take also this opportunity to acknowledge the presence of our Honorable MEC, Ntate Makalo Mohale, and align myself with the protocol that has already been established. In primary schools, we have two categories. We are saying, Honorable MEC, we are indeed a basic education district. We have the first category that falls under the schools of quintile 4 to 5. The second one is quintile 1 to 3. Ladies and gentlemen, I am going to call all 10 schools, then we'll upload them later as they are taking photos. The school has high enrollment and they have excellently performed in language of teaching,